Hi, welcome in the first demo. What I'm going to demonstrate here is how an XSS attack via XML works in practice. This is my testing web application, and I am currently logged in. You can see my name, David, in the upper right corner. What I can do in this web application is I can create an invoice. And the nice part related to the invoices is that I can attach a file. You can see it here. I can attach a file to the invoice, and one of the supported file formats is XML. This is really nice because I can create an invoice. I can attach a malicious XML file. I'm gonna upload it to the web application, and then I'm gonna point a user to this malicious XML file, and I will end up with an XSS attack via XML. That's my goal. That's exactly what I'm going to present. And before I do all these steps, I'm gonna show you first how this malicious XML file looks like. So here it is. This is my malicious XML file. Let me discuss it right now. What is inside? In this line, I declare an XHTML namespace. I discussed this namespace in the previous video. So here we've got a declaration of a namespace. And as you already know from the previous video, we can create a script in an XHTML namespace. And this is exactly what I'm doing here. And my script is very simple, like alert XSS, just to provide a proof of concept that this attack works. Okay? So basically, this is it. This is how a malicious XML file looks like. Now, I'm going to show you how this attack works. So let me go back to the web application. Now I'm going to attach this malicious XML file to the invoice. So let me do it right now. And I will click attach a file. Okay, you see that the attachment is available here, right? So I'm going to click it right now, and I'm going to copy link location. So basically, I'm going to copy the URL to this attachment, okay? I copied it, and now I'm going to go to another browser. And the reason is that I want to show you how this attack works in practice. So the point is that I'm going to launch an XSS attack against another user of this web application, okay? So what you can see in another browser, in the upper right corner, there is a user called Michael, and I'm going to launch an XSS attack against Michael. So now I will take my URL and I will paste it here, okay? So what you can see here is that indeed this is the URL that points to an XML file. You can see .xml at the very end, right? So I'm just right now sending this URL to Michael. Michael is authenticated in the web application. Now Michael clicks this link that I sent to him. And now let's see what's gonna happen. We see an alert with a message XSS. So it clearly proves that this attack works. It's just beautiful. We've got a stored XSS via XML. And it's really nice because this malicious XML file has been uploaded to the web application. And now I just need to take a link pointing to this file. I can send it to many different users of this web application, and I can just launch an XSS attack via XML, which is really cool, really powerful. And this is how you can very easily launch this attack against other users of this web application. I hope that this is clear. Now you see step by step how this attack works. I hope that you are excited about this attack, and I hope that you can't wait to see the next attack in this course. So let me right now jump to the next video.